Hey everyone, I'm Kevin. I'm an engineer on the MoonPay Labs team, and I'm really excited to talk to you today about the Moon Agents app, which we just launched today. So most of you might know MoonPay as the on-ramp company, but MoonPay is a lot more than that. MoonPay is the operating system for value. And when we talk about operating systems, the most important operators today aren't humans anymore, they're agents. And my favorite example for this is looking at how many GitHub commits have changed in the last couple of years. It's a number that stayed flat when humans were the developers, but in 2026, we're on pace for 1 billion and at 275 million GitHub commits this year. And what that shows is that when you give agents an operating system, when you give them access to, in this case, code, the numbers go to the moon. So if agents are the operators, or if agents are using the operating system of value, if agents are using MoonPay, then MoonPay is going to the moon. Everyone is going to be moving value through MoonPay's operating system. And the interface, the bridge between what agents are doing and how the humans are interacting with that is the Moon Agents desktop app, which we just launched today. The Moon Agents desktop app works with existing harnesses like Claude or Codex and gives you access to the full suite of MoonPay products and services. So what are those products and services? We have everything from buying and selling crypto, converting from fiat to crypto, swapping across 9 blockchains, spending with with a virtual credit card, shopping on existing Shopify stores, even giving your agent a bank account, and it's all powered by MoonPay's regulated set of financial rails. The Moon Agents desktop app comes with 3 core pieces that are this bridge between everything that MoonPay can do and communicating that to the human. The first is skills, which is the instruction manual for moving value, using every single piece of the MoonPay infrastructure stack. The second is automations. Once you've set up a skill, once you've set up a recipe or workflow, you can run it on repeat, just like you would on OpenClaw or another harness like Hermes. And finally, it's artifacts. It's being able to take what you've chatted with your agent about and turn it into something visual that you can interact and come back to. And with that, I'm going to do a live demo. And I know we don't have too much time, so I've already prompted the agent with a little bit of a question. So one of these. Or I have a few automations running. So since we're in New York, I thought I would pull up the prediction market for Spurs and the Knicks game tonight. So I've already pulled it up, and as you can see, these are real commands where it's actually using infrastructure that we've launched over the last couple months in February called the MoonPay CLI, and provides this very nice interface where Claude, in this case, is pulling all the necessary information to find that prediction market. And unfortunately, I am for the Spurs. I think the Spurs are going to win tonight. So let's put $5 on the Spurs. No booze. No one here was from New York, so I thought I was safe. Okay, all right. Hopefully I can make it out of this room after this. So now, as we can see, it's running under the hood, grabbing and using the MoonPay CLI, all these pieces that we've integrated into the CLI, everything that you can use with that MoonPay offers, all inside the command line. And it doesn't even look like you're using the command line. It looks like you're using ChatGPT. It's finding an existing wallet that I have set up. And part of the magic of the MoonPay CLI is that your wallet lives on your device, completely self-custodial. We don't see your wallet at all. So your keys are separated from us. And now it's actually finding a wallet that has some USDC. So let's see what it's doing. And then once it finds the USDC in my account, then it will place a bet on Kalshi. Or I guess in this case, it will make a prediction. Sorry, not betting. All right, I found two of my wallets. One of those is my consensus demo, which I have demoed this as well on at consensus. So let's say go consensus. Well, it thought I was a Knicks fan because I did say go Knicks. I'm a Warriors fan. I'm from San Francisco. All right, and I think the best part actually is when the LLM messes up and it tries to actually figure out how to make this work. This is Claude. I believe it would be 4.7 or 4.8. What the desktop app is doing is actually it will set up Claude or Codex under the hood for you. So you don't have to open the terminal. Oh, perfect. It figured out exactly what was wrong and put in 8 shares on the Spurs tonight. So I'll be at a Knicks bar probably tonight. So hopefully I can make it out alive with my extra $5 to pay for my drinks. App is live today. So if you go to moonpay.com/agents, you can download it. Right now, we only support Mac OS for Silicon, and then other support for other operating systems in the future.